Hi there, truck enthusiasts. If you're in the market for the most reliable pickup truck, then you've come to the right place. Before you rush to make your decision, consider this before you buy. This pickup has a long-standing reputation for durability and dependability. For decades, it's been trusted by drivers who demand the best in performance and capability. With its rugged design and advanced features, this truck stands out from the crowd. It offers superior towing capacity, cutting-edge safety technologies, and a cabin packed with the latest tech. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine designed for tough tasks. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling rough terrain, this pickup can handle it all. Its off-road capabilities are enhanced by a robust 4WD system, ensuring you can conquer any challenge. Inside, comfort meets practicality. The spacious cabin provides ergonomic seating, while the latest infotainment systems keep you connected on the go. Premium materials ensure that every journey is comfortable, no matter how long. The exterior design is both bold and functional. A large imposing grille, sharp LED headlights, and a high ground clearance give it a commanding presence on the road. Plus, the durable bed ensures you can transport anything from construction materials to weekend gear with ease. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Right now, you can unlock exclusive savings on this pickup. So act fast to get the best deal today. So, what are you waiting for? Smart buyers always choose this truck for its unbeatable reliability and performance. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more updates on this amazing pickup and other automotive insights.